Hello, welcome you all. Myself, Dhananjay Ramakrishna Patil, lecturer, Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Sanduri, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Pharmacy Act 1948. This is a part 1. Contents: Introduction, History, Objectives, Definitions, List of Amendments, Chapter 1, Introductory, Chapter 2, Pharmacy Council of India, Chapter 3, 4 and 5 we will cover in next part. Introduction. An act to regulate the profession of pharmacy. The act was promulgated in year 1948. The Pharmacy Bill 1947 having been passed by the legislature received its accent on 4th March 1948. It came on the status book as the Pharmacy Act 1948, 8 of 1948. History. Early 20th century, no restriction to the practice of pharmacy, poor quality of service, absence of recognized curriculum. So it will means it has been a great harm to the health of the people. So there is need to be some act. The following statement of the object and reason, that is Pharmacy Bill, was published in Gazette of India 1947, Part 5, page 469. It is desirable that, as in the most other countries, only persons who have attained a minimum standard of professional education should be permitted to practice the profession of pharmacy. It is accordingly proposed to establish a Central Council of India, Central Council of Pharmacy, which will prescribe the minimum standard of education. It is further proposed to empower provincial government to prohibit the dispensing of medicine on the prescription of a medical practitioner, otherwise than by or under the direct and personal supervision of a registered pharmacist. Objectives of the Act: regulating and raising the status of pharmacy profession in India, providing uniform education and training to the person willing to enter the profession of pharmacy, maintaining control over the person entering the profession of pharmacy. Definition: Central Council, the Pharmacy Council of India, PCI, Central Register of Pharmacists, maintained by Central Council. Register Pharmacist, a person whose name for the time being is entered in the Register of Pharmacists of the state in which he is for the time being residing or carrying on his profession or business of pharmacy. Then, University Grant Commission. It means the University Grant Commission established under Section 4 of the University Grant Commission Act 1956. Indian University. It means a university within the meaning of Section 3 of the University Grant Commission Act 1956 and include such other institutions being institutions established by or under a central act as the central government may by notification in the official gazette specify in this behalf. Medical practitioner, a person holding a qualification granted by an authority specified or notified under Section 3 of the Indian Medical Degree Act 1916 or specified in the Schedule of Indian Medical Council Act 1956, or a person registered or eligible for registration in a medical register of a state meant for the registration of a person practicing modern scientific system of medicine, or a person registered in a medical register of a state who, although not falling within subclause A or B, is declared by a general or special order made by state government in this behalf as a person practicing the modern scientific system of medicine for the purpose of this act, or a person who is engaged in the practice of veterinary medicine and who possesses qualification approved by the state government. List of Amendments Act and Adaptation Order. The Adaptation of Law Order 1950, Adaptation of Law Number 3 Order 1956, the Pharmacy Act Amendments 1959, the Pharmacy Act Amendment 1976, the Pharmacy Act Amendment 1982, the Delegated Legislation Provided Amendment Act 1985. Chapter 1, Introductory. Short title: Extent and Commencement. This act may be called as the Pharmacy Act 1948. It extends to the whole India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It shall come into force at once, but Chapter 3, 4 and 5 shall take effect in a particular state of such date as the state government. Interpretation. In this act, unless there is anything repugnant in subject, agreement under section 20, approve under section 12 or 14, Central Council under section 3, Central Register under section 15A, Executive Committee, Indian University under section 3 of UGC Act 1956, Medical Practitioner under section 3 of Indian Medical Degree Act 1916, prescribed under section 3. A registered pharmacist means a person whose name is for the time being is entered in the register. State Council under section 19. These also include JPC, University Grant Commission under section 4. Chapter 2. The Pharmacy Council of India. The PCI or Pharmacy Council of India was first constituted in year 1949, reconstituted for every 5 year. Composition: elected member, nominated member, ex officio member. Elected member: 6 members selected by UGC, among them at least one from teaching profession, one other elected by MCI, Medical Council of India, one member elected by State Pharmacy Council. Nominated member: 6 members nominated by the central government, one representative each of UGC, AICTE, one registered pharmacist each state or union territory. Ex officio member: the Director General of Health Services, the Director of Central Drug Laboratory, the Drug Controller of India. The Executive Committee consists of the President, Vice President, 5 members elected by Central Council from its members. Apart from this, the Council also appoints a registrar, other officer and servant for carrying out its statutory functions. Functions of PCI: to frame an educational structure for the would-be pharmacist and to keep it tuned to the changing needs with passage of time. Education: regulation, recognition, the qualification granted outside the territory to which the Pharmacy Act extends. Maintain the central register for pharmacists, other function for the furtherance of the Act. Education regulation: minimum qualification for the admission into the course, duration of training and course of the study to be covered, equipment and facilities to be provided by institution, giving practical training, holding approved examination. The education regulation shall be published in the official gazette and in such other manner as the Central Council may direct. Approve of qualification granted outside India. Qualification in pharmacy granted outside India can be recognized by PCI. This is applicable to Indian citizens. Citizens of foreign nationality can be eligible for registration when an Indian national holding the same qualification is allowed to enter and practice in that country. Central Register. Under the provision of the Pharmacy Act 1976, the PCI of India is required to maintain a central register. The register has to maintained by the Register Council of India, has to be revised suitably from time to time, published in Gazette of India. Thank you so much.